following God. Bad following God. Bad.
So, you're probably wondering why I haven't driven my car in 3 months. Let's rewind and let me explain. I went to Pakistan to visit family, and I had a blast out there. I went off-roading with my uncle, went on a road trip to the mountains, and most importantly, ate so much good food. But now that I'm back home, it's back to routine as usual, and it's time to take care of one thing at a time, starting off with the car. Let's give it a quick wash.
Come on, big fella, you drunk, big fella. 2 sips and now you on a trip, big fella. You not a drinker. I can see it all in your leg, big fella. You wobbly, big fella. You finna fall. Sit down, you drunk, big fella.
Everybody outside when I pull up outside.
Okay, you all know damn well Chance the Rapper's Peak was a coloring book mixtape, so don't judge. Y'all ain't bald and your name doesn't rhyme with Bamphany Blantano, alright? With that out of the way, back to car maintenance. Oh, and would you look at that, I left a 10 mil right here. How convenient. So one of my windshield washer jets broke, so I ordered a new one from E-Euro Parts for like $9. I already installed it while the camera was down, but here's the broken one. The washer fluid was leaking out all into the engine bay. As you can see, the new one is installed under the hood insulation. Up next is these cheap bumper clips. They're all broken. I bought a big set of these off Amazon that came with trim removal tools for like $15. It was a smashing deal. Let's get to installing these.
Everybody high five, everybody wanna smile, everybody wanna lie, that's nice, no. Oh, now you wanna chill, oh, now you wanna build, oh, now you got the bill, that's cool though. Oh, now you got the gas, oh, now you wanna laugh, oh, now you need a cab, that's true though.
All you do is talk, I ain't got shit to say. Can't no one get in my car, I don't even valet.
Long discussions, oh, you my cousin? No, you wasn't, you just wanna ride. You just wanna talk about politics, Chicago shit, and rocket shit. Start dancing, ho.
And would you look at that, job well done. That's pretty much all I have for this video. Still I'm working off the jet lag, but I'm working on a Volvo S60 review for next week, so please stay tuned out for that. Thanks for watching.